Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
The devil have none upon you. The past is the past. I was a warmonger, and so come on, somebody. I used to take people, man, and so Lord Jesus, I have a married man alone with in love, and so look what the Lord has done. You can't talk to me. Somebody give God praise. Somebody worship God. Like real congregation, you know. When I come up in here, come go on pretty and cute with me. Oh God, come on somebody. You don't know that what you have been through. God allow you to go through it for a reason. You think you have Mrs. Queen, England, come on. You was dirty, Lord Jesus, I can't talk. Your past was messy. Oh God Almighty, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You cry, you take people, man. You go on back road. I want to know your teeth like puss. Lord Jesus Christ, somehow we are going like we cute. And Lord God Almighty, if night supposed to turn to be, somehow we end up in a prison. Lord Jesus Christ, now come up here, come on like we cute. Jesus Christ, oh God, hey God Almighty, oh God, give God a praise. Come on, give God a worship. Come on, worship God. Come on, worship, worship, worship. Hallelujah! Jesus Christ, I feel glory. Somebody worship God. Somebody shout. We bind your tongue in the name of Jesus. If you have a dirty past and I come up in your content like you have arrived, the blood of Jesus is against you, the attack. That spirit there, they say come out of that. That's when Jesus, can you know where you are coming from? Somebody give God a praise. I have a husband for 20 years now this year. And every time the grass grew up in the yard, the man tell me say can't use cutlass. In bad under the clock. So me say God never know say. If I give you one country girl, we live in a bush where we can't afford gardener. Me say man take off that. You buy more for use cutlass. Come on somebody. And if I go like it cute, but clock a half a tree. So me just lock shop. Me say look if you don't chop the yard, you're not again. No, we don't come here to act cute. Me say you're not getting no. And Lord Jesus, me go work and by the time me come, call him chop up, heel chop up, yard chop up, everything chop up. You must be real. Open your mouth and talk what you want. Hallelujah, don't pretend to be what you are not. Somebody say glory. Somebody say glory. Hallelujah. I say amen. So, yes, you must stop standing on the level. If not, have none of power. Not true. The past is in the past. And I had to go through what I went through. It's all for His glory. It's a part of His process. So don't be ashamed of what you have been through. And some of us, we have a right to be ashamed too. Because truth be told, church people are easy. Come on somebody. So when you release your real testimony, you have some deep sea diver, you know. When dive and go down and take up your testimony and walk with it all when 3 months. Jesus deliver you and set you free. And them a kick their foot and one of them in a spirit. I say, remember what you do, remember what you do. I say, who the son set free? Is now you're free today. Get up off of your seat and shout the praise. So even though we cover every testimony we ever come under the blood of Jesus, leave it where it is. Hallelujah, somebody. We talk too much sometimes. Don't judge. God can turn a mess into a message. Hallelujah, somebody. He can turn an orphan into a queen. Hallelujah. And I declare that somebody situation is about to turn around today for good. But you have to be real. Amen. Praise God. Clap your hands for Jesus. Praise the name of Jesus.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, is it? Welcome to the Sunday morning vibes. It's a long time I really do something like this really and truly, but me I try to bring the vibes to you know, all the church members, you know, the church goers, you know, people who respect thy father, you know, a God-fearing person and a loving person, and a person that love them church and all these things. You see me? Even though this video I present to you, my viewers and subscribers, has a little controversy in it because some of the things that the lady said in this video is a little bit, you know, people will talk, but however, she's trying to do the right thing. You know, she's trying to show you the bad road where she coming from, and at the same time she try to lead people or set an example where people might not try to go to that road. That is what she seems to be hoping to get in from something like this, is it? Now the controversy part of it where she said, and so you see me, well, you know what I mean, me used to take people, you know, she said used to take people, man, and them things. Yeah, and so that part is going to be a little bit controversial due to the fact that there's a girl out there with the slang with it and so forth. And when you use that kind of thing back into the church now, some people might find a problem with it. But however, the truth is the truth. If she's talking the truth of her past life and so forth, you see. Now, there is a part in it where them say the cute, because really and truly this video is out on social media due to the fact of the controversy part of it, due to some of the things where the lady say, especially the part where she say about tech people, man, and so forth. But however, there are some things in it where that seems like forward, like where she'd say, "Uno think uno cute." It's like she's practically saying that some people come into the church and acting like they're cute and all these things. All right, but fine. From I was like a little youth, you know, from young age, you know, I'm a church going person, really and truly, you know, and from a little bit, I always hear round the corner. When I say round the corner, it would mean like people kind of whispering or saying it that sometimes whenever the pastor or the other people that give testimony, when them go on the stage, they intend to discuss, not all the while, you know, sometimes they intend to discuss personal business of other members from the congregation. You see it? And when them discuss it, they would say it in a way where you might not understand who it is exactly, but the person that it's happening to knows it's about them. You see it? And some people in the congregation will know, and then some of the time you hear some depend, yes, and the words start show because she knows that she attack and she and all these things, and some of the time they do them little rock and show them what and all these things. These are the things that I've heard about over the years happen when time these things happen. I don't know how true it be, really and truly, my viewers and subscribers. You see what I say? Me hear that sometimes them chat them one amongst the church business and so forth. Just a bit. Yeah, but anyways, that's just one point of it. As I say, some people intend to have a problem with church overall, and that's in my point of view. And no, don't get me wrong, because I cannot tell a person what to do. But some people intend to have a problem with church overall. Some just don't try it none at all, and they would be like, they now go to church because they don't believe in this, or them just not believe in something else, or whatsoever, or so forth. You see me? Now, again, I'm going to say this. I am not trying to beat down a man's belief or whatsoever, but all I'm saying that a church is a good thing. In my belief, a church is a good thing, and I think that everyone should give church at least a try. Yes, so I said, just go there, see what it is. And me know, you know, like I said, don't even say me know, because it's always been said, really and truly, that some people, this is something that is always been said. This is not directly from me. This is something where I know a lot of people must hear, especially if you're a member of a church. Some people go to church directly to look the ladies. No, not say some people. Some men go to church to look the ladies, and some female will go to church to get a husband. Those little things have always been said. But look, if that is true, I'm saying to you that if that is true, which is none of my business, however, we are there to serve the Lord. We are not there to make romance and all these things. We're there to give God worship. You see what I said to you? If the husband or the wife come along the way, well, it was meant to be, I just saw it go. But if you're going to church, please go to church for the right reasons, not for your selfish reasons. Alright? Give God praise and all these things. Alright? So me have to just say big up to everyone. You see me I say, and big up to all who just don't take it into the Sunday morning vibes. You see me I say, I'm going to get the positive message out of this and don't really follow the negative things that is put out there on social media due to this video and all these things. Alright? Yeah. But I don't know the thing go already. Me always try to keep on up to date and posted the do I go on. You see me I say, this lady preaching, speaking the truth about her life, and it turns into a controversy on social media. You see me I say, a church prayer. So I say, welcome to the Sunday morning vibes. I want to big up on yourself. And as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now?
Hey yo, Skilla.
You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.